Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be taking a dive into McLaren, the evolution of a racing legend. Are you new to this channel? Kindly hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our new releases. In the pantheon of automotive legends, few names resonate as profoundly as McLaren. Synonymous with speed, innovation and excellence, McLaren's journey from its humble beginnings to becoming a titan of the racing world is a story steeped in ambition, ingenuity and relentless pursuit of perfection. This narrative weaves through the corridors of time, from the pioneering dreams of a New Zealand racer to the ultra-modern technology of today's hypercars, highlighting how McLaren has continuously redefined the boundaries of automotive performance. McLaren's saga is not just about cars, it's about a vision. It's a tale of how a young Bruce McLaren, fueled by his passion for racing, laid the foundation for what would become a legendary marque. It's a chronicle of groundbreaking engineering, revolutionary designs, and a commitment to pushing the envelope. Whether it's dominating the racetracks of Formula One or creating some of the most revered road cars, McLaren's impact on the automotive world is indisputable. In this detailed exposition, we will embark on a journey through the evolution of McLaren, exploring its origins, pivotal moments, technological advancements, and the iconic models that have cemented its place in history. From the early days of the Bruce McLaren motor racing team to the cutting-edge engineering of the 21st century, we will uncover how McLaren has continually transformed itself to stay at the pinnacle of racing and automotive innovation. Let's take a journey into the early beginnings, the Bruce McLaren story. Bruce McLaren was born on August 30th, 1937, in Auckland, New Zealand. From a young age, Bruce exhibited a profound fascination with all things mechanical. His journey into the world of motorsport began at the age of 15 when he entered his first race in a modified Austin 7 Ulster. Despite suffering from Perthes disease, which left him with a limp, Bruce's determination and talent were undeniable. In 1958, Bruce's talent caught the attention of Jack Brabham, a fellow New Zealander and Formula One driver. Brabham saw potential in the young racer and recommended him to Supercars in the UK. This opportunity marked the beginning of Bruce McLaren's illustrious racing career. At the age of 22, he became the youngest Grand Prix winner at the 1959 United States Grand Prix, a record he held for over 4 decades. In 1963, Bruce McLaren founded Bruce McLaren Motor Racing Ltd. in a small workshop in New Malden, Surrey, UK. His vision was to build his own cars and compete in various racing disciplines. The first car to bear the McLaren name was the M1A, a sports car designed for the Canadian-American Challenge Cup Can-Am series. The M1A's success laid the foundation for the M1 Billion and M1C, which continued to dominate Can-Am racing. The Can-Am series was a proving ground for McLaren's engineering prowess. The team's innovative approach to aerodynamics, weight distribution, and engine performance allowed them to achieve unprecedented success. Between 1967 and 1971, McLaren cars won 5 consecutive Can-Am championships, earning the nickname the Bruce and Denny Show after Bruce McLaren and Denny Hulman, the team's lead drivers. While McLaren's success in Can-Am was remarkable, Bruce had his sights set on the pinnacle of motorsport Formula One. In 1966, McLaren made its debut in the Formula One World Championship with the M2 Billion, a car powered by a Ford engine. The early years were challenging, with limited resources and technical issues. However, Bruce's perseverance and engineering acumen began to pay off. Tragedy struck on June 2, 1970, when Bruce McLaren was killed while testing a Can-Am car at Goodwood Circuit. His death was a significant blow to the team, but his legacy lived on. Teddy Mayer, McLaren's business partner, took over the team's leadership and continued Bruce's vision. The 1970s were a transformative period for McLaren. The team secured its first Formula One Constructors' Championship in 1974 with the M23, driven by Emerson Fittipaldi. This victory marked the beginning of McLaren's rise to prominence in Formula One. The team continued to innovate, introducing groundbreaking technologies such as carbon fiber monocoque chassis, which revolutionized car design and set new safety standards. The 1980s saw McLaren dominate Formula One under the leadership of Ron Dennis, who merged his Project 4 racing team with McLaren in 1980. The McLaren MP41, introduced in 1981, was the first Formula One car to feature a full carbon fiber monocoque, showcasing McLaren's commitment to cutting-edge technology. During this decade, McLaren forged a powerful partnership with TAG and Porsche, leading to the development of the tag Porsche turbo engine. The MP42, powered by this engine, dominated the 1984, 1985, and 1986 seasons, with Niki Lauda and Alain Prost winning multiple world championships. McLaren's innovative approach to aerodynamics, engine performance, and driver management established the team as a dominant force in Formula One. The late 1980s and early 1990s are often regarded as the golden era of McLaren, primarily due to the intense rivalry between Ayrton Senna and Alain Prost. Senna, considered one of the greatest drivers of all time, joined McLaren in 1988. The MP44, designed by Steve Nichols and Gordon Murray, was one of the most successful cars in Formula One history, winning 15 out of 16 races in the 1988 season. The fierce competition between Senna and Prost, coupled with McLaren's technological innovations, captivated fans worldwide. Senna's relentless pursuit of perfection and Prost's analytical approach pushed McLaren to new heights. But despite the tension between the two drivers, their combined efforts brought McLaren 4 Constructors' Championships and 3 Drivers' Championships from 1988 to 1991. The 1990s presented new challenges for McLaren. Honda withdrew from Formula One at the end of 1992, leaving the team without a competitive engine supplier. McLaren struggled to maintain its dominance, but the arrival of Mika Häkkinen and a partnership with Mercedes-Benz in 1995 marked the beginning of a resurgence. The MP413, designed by Adrian Newey and powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine, brought McLaren back to the forefront of Formula One. Häkkinen won back-to-back world championships in 1998 and 1999, demonstrating McLaren's resilience and adaptability. The team's focus on aerodynamics, chassis development, and strategic innovation allowed them to remain competitive in an increasingly challenging environment. While McLaren's racing endeavors garnered much attention, the brand's foray into road car production in the 1990s added another dimension to its legacy. The McLaren F1, introduced in 1992, was a revolutionary supercar that set new standards for performance, design, and engineering. Designed by Gordon Murray and Peter Stevens, the F1 featured a central driving position, a BMW-sourced V12 engine, and extensive use of lightweight materials. The McLaren F1 was not only the fastest production car of its time, but also a technological marvel. It incorporated advanced aerodynamics, innovative cooling systems, and meticulous attention to detail. The F1's performance capabilities were demonstrated when it set a world record for the fastest production car, reaching a top speed of 240.1 mph 386.4 km/h in 1998. As McLaren entered the 21st century, the brand continued to evolve, embracing new technologies and expanding its presence in both racing and road car markets. The formation of McLaren Automotive in 2010 marked a significant milestone, allowing the company to focus on developing high-performance road cars alongside its racing efforts. The introduction of the McLaren MP412C in 2011 signaled a new era for the brand. The MP412C featured a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, and cutting-edge aerodynamics. This model set the stage for a series of highly acclaimed supercars, including the P1, 650S, 675LT, and the 720S. Each new model showcased McLaren's commitment to innovation, performance, and driver engagement. McLaren's commitment to Formula One remains unwavering. The team faced challenges in the mid-2010s, struggling to recapture its former glory. However, strategic changes, including a renewed partnership with Mercedes-Benz in 2021, have revitalized McLaren's competitive spirit. Under the leadership of CEO Zak Brown and team principal Andreas Seidel, McLaren has shown promising progress, with podium finishes and a renewed sense of optimism for the future. McLaren's vision extends beyond traditional supercars and Formula One. The company has embraced the concept of hypercars, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in automotive engineering. The McLaren P1, introduced in 2013, was one of the first hybrid hypercars, combining a twin-turbo V8 engine with an electric motor for unparalleled performance and efficiency. The Ultimate Series, including the Senna, Speedtail, and Elva, represents McLaren's dedication to creating vehicles that redefine performance, luxury, and innovation. The Senna, named after the legendary Formula One driver Ayrton Senna, is designed to be the ultimate track-focused car, with advanced aerodynamics and lightweight construction. The Speedtail, McLaren's fastest car to date, combines stunning design with groundbreaking hybrid technology capable of reaching speeds of 250 mph. The Elva, inspired by McLaren's early racing roadsters, emphasizes the thrill of open-top driving with a powerful V8 engine and innovative active aerodynamics. As the automotive industry shifts towards sustainability, McLaren is committed to reducing its environmental impact while maintaining its performance heritage. The Artura, introduced in 2021, is McLaren's first series production high-performance hybrid supercar. It features a new twin-turbo V6 engine paired with an electric motor, offering both exhilarating performance and improved fuel efficiency. McLaren's approach to sustainability extends beyond hybrid technology. The company is investing in lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber and composites, to reduce vehicle weight and improve efficiency. Additionally, McLaren is exploring the use of synthetic fuels and other sustainable alternatives to traditional fossil fuels, aiming to minimize its carbon footprint while continuing to deliver exceptional driving experiences. McLaren's legacy as a racing legend and a beacon of automotive innovation is secure, and its future promises to be as exhilarating and groundbreaking as its past. In the words of Bruce McLaren himself, "To do something well is so worthwhile that to die trying to do it better cannot be foolhardy. It would be a waste of life to do nothing with one's ability, for I feel that life is measured in achievement, not in years alone." McLaren's story is one of achievement, a story that continues to unfold with each new innovation and every victory on the racetrack. That will be all for today. Do you think you would like to get this beauty? Let me know in the comments section what you think. Kindly like and share this video to your fellow car enthusiast. Thank you for watching.